What does the future hold for Zimbabwe's presidency? Will Emmerson Mnangagwa retain his position until 2030? These questions linger in the minds of many as the political landscape of Zimbabwe continues to evolve. Emmerson Mnangagwa, the current president, is known for his rhetoric about progress and reforms. However, beneath the surface, there are concerns about widespread corruption, land grabs, and human rights abuses under his leadership. Instances of state-sanctioned violence have raised serious questions about the government's commitment to justice and accountability. Mnangagwa's strategy has often been to shift blame onto foreign sanctions, a move that has been met with criticism and calls for greater scrutiny of his administration's actions. On the other hand, Nelson Chamisa, leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, is seen as a breath of fresh air by many. Known for his grassroots support and promises of meaningful change, CHAMISA aims to address the country's economic challenges and governance issues. His political strategy is one of opposition, offering an alternative to Mnangagwa's governance. CHAMISA's ambitious manifesto outlines plans for economic stability, job creation, and education reforms, painting a promising picture for the future of Zimbabwe. Meanwhile, the figure of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga looms in the background. While he remains somewhat of an enigma, his military background and key role in the 2017 coup that unseated former President Robert Mugabe suggest he is a significant player in Zimbabwe's political landscape. All three figures, Mnangagwa, CHAMISA, and Chiwenga, have their unique political strategies and public perceptions, shaping the future of Zimbabwe in their own ways. Mnangagwa's presidency is marked by accusations of corruption and human rights abuses. CHAMISA promises meaningful change, while Chiwenga's intentions remain largely undisclosed. To summarize, the future of Zimbabwe's presidency is uncertain. While Emmerson Mnangagwa currently holds the helm, allegations of corruption and human rights abuses cast a shadow over his leadership. Nelson Chamisa offers an alternative vision for Zimbabwe, one marked by economic stability and governance reforms. Constantino Chiwenga remains a wildcard, with his intentions and potential influence yet to be fully revealed. The journey to 2030 is not a clear path for Mnangagwa. With potential challenges from CHAMISA and Chiwenga, the question of whether he will retain his presidency until 2030 remains unanswered. But one thing is certain: the political landscape of Zimbabwe is set for some interesting times ahead.